Hey, what is going on guys, Sergeant Tech Tips. I'm going to be showing you how to install OBS Studio for your Windows PC. If you'd like to find Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the link in the description below. It's going to take you to this this website. You're going to click the Windows button. So if you're on Mac OS, you can click this button. If you're on Linux, you can click this one. You're going to click Windows. Then we are going to let the installer finish. Alrighty guys, so if you are using Google Chrome, it's going to pop up down here, but if you have Firefox, it's going to pop up up here in your downloads. You can go ahead and click it either up here or down here. If you have Microsoft Edge, it should pop up with something down here and then just say run. Click yes for the UAC, user account control, click next. Sorry about the microphone, by the way. I don't have the greatest microphone on my laptop, but anyway. Click next, I agree, next. You guys can change the destination folder where the software will install to, but I recommend just leaving it the same. You can install RealSense software for cameras, but I don't have one of those cameras, so I'm not going to worry about it. It doesn't take very long to install. And it may ask you to install, I think, Visual Studio stuff, but I already have Visual Studio installed here, so that's why I'm not too worried about it. But if it does ask you, it's going to bring you to a website. You're going to click download both. You're going to run both of them. The 64 and 32-bit version will be very helpful. Alright guys, once you're done, you can go ahead and click finish or uncheck launch, and then you can go ahead and close your browser. I'm going to delete it off my page because I don't do that anyway. I usually just pin it to my taskbar and click OK for the user license agreement. And then it's going to pop up with the auto configuration wizard. I usually just do it myself. But yeah, that's how you install OBS Studio in 2018. If you guys enjoyed, please let me know in the comments below. And I usually just do this in 720p because I don't really have much of a choice. But yeah, so I'll see you guys next video. Like the video if you liked it, dislike if it sucked. Please subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Let me know what you guys want to see for future videos in the near future. Like the video if you liked it. I already said that. Sorry, I'm like super tired right now. See you guys next video and peace out.